Whitney and welcome to today's video. I found these 3 Christmas trees at a thrift store and I'm going to DIY and upcycle them so I can put them into my Christmas decor this year. They're really cool. They're very simple. Oh, they're from Pier 1. Originally $35. I picked all 3 of these up at the thrift store. I think that was like $7 for all 3 of them. They have like bugle beads and sequins and stuff on them and it's nice, but I really don't like the green. So the reason I wanted to make this video is because I was looking for glitter spray paints and they are so expensive. Rustoleum makes a few and they sell them at Home Depot and Lowe's. You can find a few more options at Michael's or Joann's or something like that, but they are still pretty expensive and they're in like a little small can and the color selection is pretty slim. So I decided to figure out how to do my own spray glitter. I'm hoping that this is going to be literally one of the easiest upcycling things to do. I don't know, I haven't done it yet. You're gonna do it with me. But all you're gonna need is some spray paint. I chose this metallic spray paint by Rustoleum, $6.99, see? And then I'm gonna douse those bad boys in glitter. Now, I tried a little sample on some gravel to see if the glitter will stick to just the spray paint, and it will. But I think I'm gonna do a few coats of the spray paint on here and then maybe in the last coat, sprinkle some glitter. But if it doesn't stick as much as I'd like, I also have a backup. This is the Krylon spray adhesive. So I think between sprinkling the glitter into the wet spray paint and then maybe using this as a backup if there are some spots where I need more glitter, this one will come into play. So I just wanted to show you my experiment gravel pieces. So this is the Rustoleum gold spray paint with the gold glitter. Now this doesn't have any of the spray adhesive. This is just the glitter mixed onto the paint while the paint was still wet. This is white and this is an off-white paint that I sprayed and then did the gold glitter on top of. This is a kind of a blue paint that I did the gold glitter on top of. And then this one is no paint. This just had the spray adhesive with the gold glitter, and this is the gold spray paint with the champagne glitter on top. Now, this is the only one that has spray adhesive. The other ones just had the glitter sprinkled in while the paint was still wet. So I originally got these 2 glitters from Michael's. This one is gold. There's one called 24 karat and then something else gold, and then this is champagne. You can kind of see that there is a little bit of a difference. Now, I started decorating my Christmas tree today and I realized that the balls are very similar. That's exciting. But there's also a silver glitter. Let me just show you. I got these ornaments on clearance last year, I think at Big Lots. There's the gold glitter, the silver glitter, and then up there is the copper glitter. So this copper will match the champagne and then that will match the gold. So I think I'm gonna go back to Michael's and get a silver glitter so all 3 trees can match the big tree. So I've decided to paint the biggest one and the middle one with the Rustoleum gold, and I'm gonna do the little one with a white base and then do the silver glitter over that. These nozzles are so much better than these nozzles. Come on, Rustoleum, get it together. Do these on everything. What's wrong? It is snowing outside, so we have to work inside. I'm on my ping pong table, actually. So I have my drop cloth laid out. I have a garbage bag that I've cut in half laid out. Then I have some paper down here to catch the extra glitter. So I picked up another can of this Rustoleum metallic. I'm gonna spray it and then sprinkle my Michael's glitter on top while the spray paint is still wet. I did a little tiny test section right here and it's looking pretty good. So let's just go ahead and finish the rest. You can really tell that the green is still showing through. So hit it with a little bit more of this metallic.
Now we're moving on to the little one that was the darker green, and we're gonna do it in silver. So I'm using my gloss white and then my silver glitter. So this is the first side of the gold. This is the first layer and first side of the champagne. And this is the first layer of the silver. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a really few little spots where the glitter is a little bit thicker on the white. So I'm gonna go in with the spray adhesive because I don't want to add more white. I want to add more glitter. Ta-da! They're looking so good. But as soon as I got these done, you guys, look what I found. I had copper spray paint hiding right on my desk this whole time. So the gold totally matches the gold of this, and the silver one totally matches the silver of this. This champagne one was supposed to match this, but as you can tell, it doesn't really. You can tell that it's a hint different, and I still really like them all together. Way better than the green. Am I gonna redo that one? Is it gonna drive me crazy? Because it could totally match. Look, here's a sample. That is the copper spray paint with the champagne glitter, and that would match, and that would pretty much match this one. I don't know if I want to redo it though. I decided against using the copper spray paint because I didn't think I would have enough glitter to start from scratch. So I'm going in with the spray adhesive and adding more of the champagne glitter, and it looks phenomenal. I love it.